Your words, they are more powerful than you think. The real question over here is, are you using them wisely? Most people, they speak English, but very few, they command attention, influence decisions, win hearts. And when it really matters the most, that is in the interviews, the boardrooms, the conflicts, and the crucial conversations. And this is exactly why I created Speak Fluency. So hi, I am Shrifi Srivastava with 30 plus years of experience, and I've trained over 10 lakh learners and worked with 10,000 plus companies, coached leaders, CXOs, and professionals across industries, and even authored multiple books on leadership, communication, and performance. And one truth that stayed constant is speaking is not about grammar alone. Speaking is about presence. It is about clarity, strategy, and most important, wisdom. And Speak Fluency is a powerful combination, a 45-day transformation program that takes you back to your roots and equips you with the modern world. Here we blend Bhagavad Gita wisdom, the power of Vani Shuddhi, which is speaking truthfully, calmly, kindly, and beneficially. And then we combine it with Chanakya Niti, where we teach how to influence without force, how to choose the right words at the right time with the right intent, backed with modern communication science, where we teach crucial conversations, how to handle conflicts, how to use power words, think on the spot, make impactful presentations, and also about leadership communication. In Speak Fluency, you will learn how to speak English confidently, think fast and respond under pressure, then handle criticisms and conflicts calmly, lead meetings and boardrooms with authority, influence people without aggression, and most important, win hearts and minds very naturally. This is not a speaking course, my friends. This is Leadership and Influence Accelerator. And we have a launch offer right now for the first 100 participants, and after that the prize will move to the original spot. You can also explore many courses from my website of Improvables Academy, and very soon Speak Fluency will also be available in our app. And if you're really done being unheard, if you are ready to speak with confidence, calmness, and authority, and if you want your words to create impact and not noise, then Speak Fluency is for you. So my friends, be heard, be remembered, and most important, be unstoppable. So I love to see you on the other side. Thank you so much.